All right, so let's look at our fourth example here. Okay, again, we are looking at Nifty, and we are looking at 25th June, right? We are looking at the 25th June data. Okay, and if we see here, guys, right, let's see what trade we got for today. Okay, and this was a excellent example, right? So let's look at this first technically. And if I draw a trend line like this and a trend line like this, okay, can we see that Nifty for the past 2 days was trading in this falling channel pattern, right? A lot of consolidation going on, and maybe this was just a pullback to the rise we got earlier. Okay, and today, this day, 25th June, Nifty starts to break out, right? So even as per our first section, section 1, this would have been a good trade. Or also we can combine this with our strategy number 1. Okay, our Bollinger Bands combined with RSI combined with technicals. So let's get into it and see where our entry happens. Now here we get the breakout, okay, but we don't get a close above the upper Bollinger Band yet. Okay, now here we get a close above, right? But well, yeah, this can fit as our entry, right? Because we've got a nice green candle closing above the upper band, right? We can see RSI is above. Let's go here, right? So this is my trigger candle. We can see RSI is above the 60 level, right? This dotted line. It has closed above the upper Bollinger Band. So we can simply buy above this, keep a 1-point buffer. Okay. Now my trade triggers right here on this candle. Okay, now if I am in on this candle, my stop loss will be the most recent swing low, which is right here around 13 points. Okay, so 13 points is my risk on this trade. Now 20 points can be my first target. Okay, so first target was easily done, guys. First target was easily done, right? Now I can move my stop loss to the most recent swing low, about 5 points below our entry, right? This is if we're trailing, or if we have not booked our profits at 20 points and we're holding for larger targets. Now remember, we're trading these breakouts, so we can expect big targets, right? Because we're trading these breakouts. So sometimes you'll get them, sometimes you won't. Okay. There we go. So now price is starting to shoot up. Okay, so now what can we do in this case? We can keep trailing our stop loss, right? So first trail would be here, then this swing low, then this swing low. Okay, and as of now, right, we're in about 50 points profit. So if you feel like 50 points is good for you, go ahead, book it, right? But if the trend is going up and you want to just keep trailing it, so then you keep trailing it, guys, right? You have to figure out what works best for you. Okay, if you're happy with 20 points, then you're happy with 20 points, right? Then see, you have to keep trailing as per swing lows. This would be the next swing low. Let me mark them. This, here, here. Okay, and now we would be in about 100-point profit, right? So there are days when you will get these jackpot trades, okay? And if you're getting 100 points, then guys, don't even think twice, just book it. Okay, just book it. Okay, or you just trail your stop loss, and eventually you would be out somewhere here, maybe 90-point profit. Okay, so this was a beautiful trade, right? A beautiful day, and a really lovely breakout, right? A nice falling channel breakout. Okay, you can also call this somewhat a flag, right? Flag, pole and flag breakout, whichever it is, right? A breakout is a breakout. Okay, so this is the beauty of this strategy, right? We're combining a few things to really get the best of everything. Okay, and this also ensures that we avoid false trades, right? That we avoid entering into any random trade which is giving us an entry as per the Bollingers or RSI. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys, right? We got one trade, but that one trade was enough, right? You get one trade like this in a week, guys, that's enough. Okay, so great. Thanks for watching.